Hi, mag-share na po ko sa mga 11 nursing skills training for caregivers and healthcare assistants. This training is focused for transferring patients sa stretcher and using a Hoyer lift. Actually, ang transfer from the bed to stretcher kinatakol man na and part of the curriculum sa TESDA, but Hoyer lift is not included. And ako'y kailang nga caregiver sa US, ana siya nga, dili ido sila mag-alsa-alsa, they also use the Hoyer lift. This is a good chance for us to have a hands-on training sa pag-operate aning Hoyer lift and to experience ba. Because if we plan to work abroad, might as well be familiar with sa ilang mga tools. Ang hands-on na mo ani kay ang paggamit sa Hoyer lift from the bed to the wheelchair and then from the wheelchair to the bed again. The Hoyer lift can carry patients up to 150 kilograms, so it's quite durable. And during our hands-on test, you'll see na we tried with our classmates and makaingon jud mi nga convenient siya gamiton, dali ra, and di na jud ka magsigig alsa-alsa. Dili sa Pinas kay mas preferred ang lalaki nga caregiver kay daghag alsa-alsa walay Hoyer lift. So para sa tuan ani nga dili kayo nag-aalsa kay advantage gid ni siya. Although dali ra kayo siya i-operate og ma-learn, I think na ang advantage sa 11 skills training is that you're already familiar before pa ka mo salang or mo adto dito sa facility. And if they will ask you, o kabalo ka mo operate ani, you can confidently say na yes, I've trained ana, tapos kabalo na po ko mo operate ana. Kaya guys, tell me if you have any questions.